How to stop fake reservation on booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about learning to stop fake reservations on booking.com. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your favorite web browser and then go to admin interface of booking.com, or you can just simply directly go to partner.booking.com. Then here in this page, you will see the chat section in the right hand side of the screen. Click on it. And here you can explain your issue regarding a specific reservation. Simply state that you want to report a reservation and your request will be considered if it is indeed a fake reservation. And to determine if an account or reservation is fake, you can visit the booking.com partner help section. And under help, search for report fake reservation. And you can find the information on how to identify fraudulent bookings. Some signs of potentially fraudulent bookings include multiple attempts with invalid credit cards, last-minute bookings, reservation across multiple properties, and an unusually higher number of bookings. By recognizing these signs, you can report the issue and the fraudulent booking will be addressed. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.